Have you ever thought about how tender this life experience is? It's like a vapor, less than a mist. Poof, we're gone. This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and I bring you this piece I wrote called Vapor and Mist. Experience in this life is like a vapor. This opportunity is less than a mist, tender as the flaps of butterfly wings, tender as a kiss. One day we all must die. The other days we will live. We struggle to protect the ego, while the ego has nothing to give. Who do you think you are? Who do you think I am? The importance of feeling important is just a fraction of being man. Nothing we can do to save ourselves from death. Smiling this morning, gone tonight. Vaporized in the midst of nothingness. Tell me, are you prepared to take that flight?